Hi guys, I've got this, here's another video. I've got this Candy tumble dryer with an NTC sense fault. It's a Candy Grand O tumble dryer, condenser tumble dryer, 9 kilos, you can see there. And I've asked to dismantle it just to access the sensor. There's the drum on the left hand side there, and we've got a door switch which I've closed. And then you got the sensor on the front for the filter, which I've connected so I don't get any errors. This is a problem here, I think, the NTC sensor, which plugs into the condenser unit, and I put the fan cover back on so the fan element doesn't overheat. Now that I've explained all that, all I've got to do now is start her up. I'll show you what the problem is. So when you switch it on, just highlight that, you get this cool down fan come on, and it starts counting down from 10 seconds. Previously it was 1 hour, and there's no warm air at all, no hot air, it's just cold air coming out of here. So I think I've narrowed it down to the NTC sensor. So what I'll do is switch it off and just try this. What I'm going to do is disconnect the NTC sensor. Just disconnect it there, and switch it back on and give it a try. So if I just set the program and start to back up, and as you can hear there, it's blowing hot air now. You can see there it's blowing hot air, and that error's gone. But because we've disconnected the NTC sensor, we will get an error after a few seconds, which is E14. This points towards the NTC sensor. So I'm going to replace the NTC sensor as process of elimination. Just switch the machine off. Okay, so I've managed to find one on the internet for $9.95 and I've ordered it. And the part has arrived, so we can continue. So what I'm going to do is remove this old NTC sensor. I'll just speed this section up a little bit, and it just pops out. It just fits into the condenser housing. That's the sensor there, that's the old one. So I'll just pop that to one side and show you the new one. That's the new unit there, service bag. So I'll just speed this section up as well as I fit the new sensor. It's just 2 screws that hold it in place. Let's speed this section up also. Okay, give it a try, switch it on, press start. As you can see, it's fired up again, and just put my hand down there, that's warm air, and it usually cut out by now, but it hasn't, so it must have been the NTC sensor. Just put my hand down there and check, yep, still warm air coming out. Still hot air coming out, and I've left it and over a minute now, and it's still warm air. So I'll just reassemble the machine lively, and seems to be working fine. So with that, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.